Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Inimona Onyeke and I am on a 21 days talk to the camera challenge, and today is day 8. And in today's video we'll be looking at the benefits of freelancing. So basically freelancing is all about you working on your own terms. Most of the time you work independently, so you get to choose the projects you are going to work on, how much you are going to pay, and how the schedule of the job is going to be. So that is just a basic overview of what freelancing is. In 2026 there are a lot of freelance platforms, so I'm just going to list 3 platforms in this particular video in no particular order. So we have Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and there are also some freelance platform where you get to do micro jobs, and that is Micro Worker, Pico Worker, which is now Sprout Gig, and a lot of other platforms. So basically freelancing is all about you working on a specific project without being attached as a full-time employer with any company. Majority of the time a freelancer gets to work on a contract basis, and once that contract is completed, that is the end of the work, so they move on to work with other people. So that is how the freelancing career is. It doesn't have to be for people with digital skill alone. We have a lot of professionals that are now into freelancing. The other thing I want to talk about is that freelancers are regarded as self-employed, and this is according to IRS. For how much freelancers are earning, actually it depends on the freelancer, the amount of effort, and their niche. So basically in 2026, from research you get to see that freelancers in the higher cadre are earning around $275,000 in a year, while we have others earning around $99,800 thereabouts in a year. But on an average we have freelancers earning within the range of $50,000 to $128,000 in a year. So how is the payment structure is for a freelancer? If you are a freelancer that you have worked on some of these platforms I called earlier, you should be familiar with how their payment system is. For instance, if you are working on Fiverr, the payment system is basically on contract basis or milestone. So it means that you get to agree on a fixed price, and once that contract is completed you are paid the amount, or you get to be paid once you achieve a particular milestone for that contract. For instance, if you are tasked with building an app for a company, so there will be some structured milestone, and once you are able to achieve any of those milestones you get paid. And the other way a freelancer get to earn is on hourly basis. So this way you earn on hours you spend doing the work. Most of the time there is a digital clock on the platform that get to track how many hours you spend as a freelancer, or the hours will be agreed upon before you get to start the work. So you can let them know, okay, for this particular work I'm going to spend X amount of hours to do it. So you can say, okay, I'm going to spend 20 hours to do this job, and I'm going to charge you so amount for each hour I get to work on the job. So that is how freelancers get to charge. Per research we have that 28% of skilled knowledge workers are already working as freelancers, and we have about 36% of the same category of skilled knowledge worker who are considering going into freelancing. And for the record, freelancing is not just for people that are not attached to any company. So for instance, you can be working with a company and you still get to do some freelance job, and for this category of people, freelancing is a side gig for them, while we have others who have built their life around freelancing. And if you are in this kind of situation, it means you now need to handle a lot of things around your life, which is you don't have any benefit from a government establishment. So you need to arrange your benefits, you need to arrange your expenses, you need to arrange your medicals, you need to arrange your taxes yourself. So these are some of the responsibility that comes with you working as a freelancer. Going to the benefits. So if you are working as a freelancer, what are the benefits? Number one on the list I want to talk about is flexibility, and that is the chiefest among them for me, because I love my peace of mind, I love my time, and I love working on my own terms. This you cannot get when you are working with a company, because there are rules that you need to abide as an employee. But if you are a freelancer, you get to choose when you are going to work, you get to choose how much you want to earn, and the whole system is built around you. Secondly, the other benefits you get to enjoy as a freelancer is control over your earning. This you cannot get elsewhere except you have risen to the highest level in your career and you are like the 1% of them in your field. That is where you get to decide how much you want to earn in most of the corporate organization. But when you are working as a freelancer, you have massive control over your earning, because you decide how much you want to earn over time. Thirdly, if you are working as a freelancer, you have massive opportunity for you to develop yourself and your skill. This is one of the advantage of working as a freelancer that I love, because you have opportunity to work at your own schedule. The other thing you get to enjoy while working as a freelancer is the ability for you to reach people from different parts of the world. So when you are working as a freelancer, you are open to the global market, and it is something that I have experienced firsthand. When I was working actively on Fiverr, I was interacting with people from different parts of the world: US, Australia, Canada, and the list goes on. So these are some of the things you get to enjoy when you work as a freelancer. And that is all I have for you in today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in day 9 of our 21 days talk to the camera challenge. If you have any question, you can leave that in the comment section, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.